Phone call from the cancer doctor on my birthday, my 50th birthday. Scariest day ever. It still is.
Robert Vande Krol is 54 years old now. His cancer screenings have been clear since his brain tumor was removed. But due to brain damage, he had to quit his firefighting career in 2020 after serving 19 years for the Superstition Fire Department.
I've always been the type of person to see somebody in need of help and stop to see if I can help them.
The career firefighter was exposed to toxic fumes, leading to his cancer diagnosis. He filed a claim with the department insurance, but was denied. Not long after that, a new state law went into effect covering health care expenses for first responders diagnosed with occupational cancer. However, the law was not written to be retroactive.
A lot of my firefighter friends and stuff have said their strategy is keep kicking the can down the road until you're gone, and then there's no more case.
Wednesday morning, the state Supreme Court could rule whether this law should be retroactive or not, ultimately deciding whether Vande Krol should be covered. A local firefighter union president says this decision could be pivotal for other first responders.
This means so much. This is precedence that's going to be set for firefighters across. And to put service before self and to have to continue to challenge the time, effort, money, blood, sweat, tears that go into all of this.
Years of waiting for a ruling that is now around the corner. Vande Krol is now hoping for the best.
It's more emotional and in all those ways than anything I ever did on the fire department.
The Arizona Supreme Court judges are expected to make a decision around 10 tomorrow morning. We'll be sure to update you on the ruling. Reporting live in the newsroom, Casey Torres, Arizona's Family.
All right, we'll be watching for that.